Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're talking all about the going to expression. We're going to take a look at when to use it, how to use it correctly, and how to form the negative and question form. Why don't we begin? Now, before we begin, remember that the going to expression is not a verb tense. Although we do use it as if it were a verb tense, but it's not. It's an expression that we use to talk about the future. So let's learn a little bit about this expression and when we use it. So we use the going to expression to talk about future plans. For example, I'm going to have a party this Friday. Or we're going to watch a film this weekend. We also use the going to expression when we have the intention to do something. For example, I am going to buy a Porsche. Now you could argue that my intention is to buy a Porsche or this is my plan. Regardless, always the going to expression. I can also say, we are going to build the furniture tomorrow. So our intention is to build the furniture tomorrow. Not this weekend, not next weekend, tomorrow. This is my intention. And finally, we can also use the going to expression to make a prediction about the future. Now, this prediction is a certain prediction. We feel certain about it, maybe because we have some evidence or we see some signs. For example, it's 5:25. You're going to be late to class. You're going to be late to class. So now here I am making a prediction based on evidence. I can see the time. I see that it's 5:25 and I know that class starts at 5:30. So I am making a prediction that I am certain that is going to happen. You're going to be late to class. Or you broke mom's new vase. Mom isn't going to be very happy. So in this case, I can predict that mom isn't going to be very happy because mom loves that flower vase. She loves it and she always reacts really badly to these kinds of things. So I can make a prediction here that is very certain to happen. And to make the going to expression, you would take the verb to be plus the going to plus the bare infinitive. For example, I am going to eat sushi tonight. Or I'm going to eat sushi tonight. You are going to eat sushi tonight. You're going to eat sushi tonight. Or he or she or it is going to eat sushi tonight. We are going to eat sushi tonight. They are going to eat sushi tonight, etc. But always following that structure of the verb to be, going to plus that bare infinitive. And to form the negative, you would take the subject plus the verb to be plus not plus the going to plus the bare infinitive. Let's see an example. For example, I am not going to play golf. And of course, again, you can use the contractions. I'm not going to play golf. You are not going to play golf. You're not going to play golf, etc. Now, to make a question with a short answer, you would just take the verb to be plus the subject plus the going to expression plus the bare infinitive. For example, you could ask, am I going to water the plants? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you going to water the plants? Yes, you are. No, you aren't, etc. And finally, to make questions with a question word at the very beginning, you would take a question word plus the verb to be plus the subject plus the going to plus the bare infinitive. So very similar structure to yes or no questions, but now with these questions, we require some information. Let's see some examples. What am I going to do? Where are you going to spend the holidays? When is he going to leave? Why are we going to eat sushi? Where are you going to study for the exam? Where are they going to sleep? So as you can see, students, the going to expression is very simple. We just use it to talk about plans in the future, intentions, and to make predictions about the future. If you would like to see more videos like this, you can click on my playlist on the verb tenses and also subscribe for more future videos on English grammar or the verb tenses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos. Mwah! Bye for now.